This is the newest addition to the collection. It's a 1939 Ford Tudor Sedan. Standard, not the deluxe. Gonna need a full restoration. Yeah, it's sitting on the door. Floor pans. Really need some fender work. I've got all the major body pieces. I'll show you the frame in a minute. Just gonna be a quick get it running for now. Eventually I'll do a in-depth restoration, resto mod. At this point I don't know what I'm doing for an engine. I'm using the original frame. Previous owner swapped a GM rear end into it. First I thought it was a Ford 9-inch, but I couldn't see that it said GM until I got the body off. Needs a little work. Previous owner did some odd stuff, but I'll get it fixed up right. Do disc brakes in the front. Get it painted. Get the body back on it. Get it running, driving. That's it for now.